Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam and C-axis courses. In that lecture we're gonna talk about the C-axis approach here. I'm gonna select my ellipse by using the wireframe options. I can start from here and here. Maybe we should click here. It can be 30 millimeter, and then that can be 10 millimeter. Oops, sorry about that. That can be 10, that can be 25 or 20 maybe. Yes, click OK button, and this is actually my ellipse 2D on top view. We are using the X and Y axis plane, and then I can turn to transform options and roll approach here, and then I can click my geometry and click the OK button. So we can rotate that stuff, and by using the X axis as a rotary axis, and this is going to be my diameter 30 millimeter. Okay, and then we can create our machine, lathe and default machine. I can use right mouse button, mill toolpath options, and C-axis, and C-axis contour toolpath. And then I can select my geometry, and we can use the reverse direction, or that one is better. Click OK button, and then I need to create my tool by using the create new tool options. It can be 1 millimeter diameter, maybe. We can also organize that kind of stuff if you would like to see the best solution is maybe that can be 5, that can be 15. Of course we also need to handle that stuff, can be 10 or 7, that can be 10. Okay, next and finish button, and then we can organize our feed rate, and it's a cutting speed, and plunge feed rate can be 500, and then we can turn to linking parameters. As you know that we are working on the different Z conditions, so that's why I prefer to use the incremental options for all of them. And as a cut parameters, we can use the off options. Sorry about that, it's all about my graphics card maybe, and that can be off. And we can use right or left, it's not important. If you use the lead in and lead out options, then compensation direction is important while you are using the compensation type off parameters. This is the contour type 3D. Yeah, we need to organize our rotary axis. My rotary axis can be 30 millimeter, and that's it. It's created. We can close the holder, and then we're gonna see that's kind of C-axis contour toolpath here. Okay, let me check the funnel control unit G code here. I can click to see my C code, G code, sorry, and then we're gonna see that's kind of G code here, and different Z axis, C axis, and feed rate changing according to my rotation velocity, and then we can easily gonna get that kind of C-axis contour toolpath. Okay, I'm gonna save that file for you. If you would like to create the same, and you can use it. Okay, C-axis contour toolpath. Thank you very much.